Untuk tutorial 5 kali ini, saya akan membincangkan topik berkaitan markdown. Okey, kita tengok soalannya. A single bed has a selling price of 488. During the grand opening of the furniture shop, the single bed has been marked down to 329.4. Calculate the amount of markdown. Okey, untuk soalan ini, given to us, the old retail price is 488 and the new retail price is 329.4. Now find the amount of markdown. So what is markdown? Is old retail price 488 minus the new retail price 329.4. So total markdown is Rn 158.6. That is for question A. For question B, find the markdown percent. Okey, untuk soalan ini, kita nak mencari percent of markdown. So, equal to amount of markdown divided by all retail price, then times 100%. Okey, so what is our markdown? 158.6. So here 158.6 divided by all retail price 488, then times 100%. Okay, so percentage of markdown is 32.5%. That is for B.